Hey all, my name is Dr. Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with you all some updates that I've made to my dog park business plan template for 2025. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do and why I do it. And then after that, we'll dive into some of the updates that I made to the dog park business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. As promised, just a little bit about me. Again, Dr. Paul Borosky, MBA. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, or any kind of writing for that matter, just make sure to reach out and contact me. Be delighted to help with a business plan or again, any type of writing or research that you may need done. I'm also a business mentor and a business consultant. So if you need some help for business growth, strategic planning, marketing research, and other types of research, again, reach out. Be delighted to assist. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as a subject matter expert for business and finance. So if your business plan is ready to go, but those pesky financial projections are kind of tripping you up, again, reach out to me. Be delighted to help for financial projections as well. All right, enough about me. Let's go ahead and dive right into our star of the show. And enough about me. Let's go ahead and talk about the star of the show, which is the dog park business plan template, specifically the updates that I made for 2025. So, if and when you do purchase the template and you open it up, you're going to be greeted with the title page. And the title page, I didn't make any changes to it. It's still going to have the section right here for you to put your company name and a placeholder to go ahead and put your business logo. And the next page is going to be the table of contents. Again, didn't make any changes to that. And then we go right into the executive summary. And in the executive summary, it's going to talk about the business summary, the target market, financial highlights, funding requests, all that good stuff. It hasn't changed. Still the same as it's been for the previous years. The first change that we're going to come up to is going to be in the company description. So in the company description, I provide the summary, the services, and then the pricing strategy. And down here, what I've done is I've updated and added more content to the business objectives and timeline. So the business objectives and timeline, this is a snippet of a strategic plan. And what I've done is I've just minimized the strategic plan, condensed it into 1 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, and 6 to 12 months, and I've added a little bit more information as compared to previous years. So now we've got it's still a succinct strategic plan, but it's got more information than I've included in previous years. The second information or a second section that I've updated for this for 2025 is going to be the industry analysis. As we all know, if you're going to write a business plan and include industry pertinent information, you definitely want it up to date. And that's what I've done is I accessed my IBIS World account. I went to the pet grooming, boarding, and other services in the U.S. industry, obtained that report, extrapolated important information, and summarized it. And so now we are up to date for 2025 for the dog park business plan template. And then the third section is going to be after the SWOT analysis. So SWOT analysis is staying the same. Organizational structure is staying the same as well. And the marketing section is the third section that I went ahead and updated. In this section right here, I've added, in previous years, I've had traditional marketing, internet marketing, social media, and this year I've added networking to it as well. And so now we've got it's more rounded out as compared to previous years. And again, it's nice and succinct, so you can just go ahead and change out the highlighted yellow areas and put your information, or you can use it as a starting point to add more content to each one of the segments. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. And so let's go ahead and now wrap it up and sum it up. So, in summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, a couple of things to keep in mind. First, the business plan template does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. The Word document is in Microsoft Word, and the financial model is in Excel. So you do need to have both soft pieces of software in order to use them. I also include some business plan tutorials. So if you're interested in some tutorials, these are done by myself, and just go to this link right here. There are some limitations to my business plan templates. It's not compatible with Google Docs, and it's not compatible with Apple products like Pages. Now, if you have an Apple machine, if you have a Mac, and you have Office 365, I've heard some good things about that. But other than that, just keep that in mind that it's not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, I do not offer free phone support. I'll make sure that you get the template, it's downloaded. But if you want some tutorial, you want some training, check out this link right here. Or I do offer custom training, one-on-one, but there is a fee for that. And then finally, if you do want to purchase a business plan template, visit this link right here. And to wrap it up, if you are interested in custom business plans, if you're interested in business consulting or financial projections, just visit my website. I've got prices for my services at this link right here. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and have a phenomenal day.